Okay, next we can discuss that is another type of the energy, that is potential energy, indicated as PE. And just now we have discussed about kinetic energy. Kinetic energy means whenever the object is having kinetic energy, whenever it is in motion. And what about the kinetic energy? If the object is at rest, then kinetic energy is equal to 0. But here this is a different type, potential energy. Let us take the example. This is ground, this is earth surface. At a certain height from the ground surface or ground, means I am taking approximately height is equal to 10 meter. Just hanga tilkodri on the certain height 10 meter. The object is there, this object is in rest. This object is in rest, means its velocity is equal to 0. It is the meaning that the object is not moving, and this is your hand, and this is your hand. Let us take, this is the object, this is the ground, and object it is having certain mass, and here it is my hand. Just I am holding the object like this, the object placed in my hand, object nan kai melada, but object, what is the velocity of the object? 0, means object is in rest. Imagine yourself, this object at a height, a certain height from the ground, it is not in motion but still having a energy. It is not in motion but it is having certain kind of energy. That energy we are going to call it as potential energy. How come? This object is pressing my hand in a downward direction. ಈ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ತದ, ನನ್ನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡನ್ನು ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತದ. ದ ಪ್ರೆಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆನ್ ಮೈ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೆಸರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತದ. ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಹಾಕತ್ತಿದಾರ? ದಿಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಪೆನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. If you take the hand, suddenly what will happen? Suddenly marker is moving in downward. Suddenly marker is accelerating in downward. Why it is moving? If you take the hand, suddenly marker is accelerating. Why it is accelerating suddenly? Whenever it is in rest, it is having something. Because of that something, it is pressing your hand. Are you getting the point? ಈ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ನಾಗದ, ಮೂವ್ ಆಗತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೂ ನೀನು ಕೈನ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ. ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇವನ್ ದೋ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇವನ್ ದೋ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. What is that something? That something is nothing but a potential energy. ಈ ಮಾರ್ಕರ್ ರಸ್ನಾಗ ಇದ್ರೂ ನನ್ನ ಕೈನ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತದ. ಯಾಕೆ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತದ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕರ್ ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಇನ್ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ನಿನ್ನ ಕೈ ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ತದ, ಆ ಬಾಡಿನ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ, ನೀವು ಕೈನ ಸಡನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್. Suddenly the body is moving. Why it is moving? Because it is in rest, no? It is in rest, but it is pressing your hand. It is in rest even though it is pressing your hand. Why it is pressing? Because it is having something. That something is nothing but a potential energy. Whenever it is in motion, that is having another type of energy. That energy is called as a kinetic energy. But now the body is not moving even though it is pressing my hand. ಇದು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೂ ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕತ್ತದ. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್, ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್, ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಮೈ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ವೈ? ಹೌ ಕಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್? ಎಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಅ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. It is having something. Whenever it is in rest, it is having something. Because of that something, it is pressing your hand. That something is nothing but a potential energy. ಬಾಡಿ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರು ನಿನ್ನ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಫೋರ್ಸನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡತ್ತದ. ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ದಾಗ? ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ. ಬಾಡಿ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರು ನಿನ್ನ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಫೋರ್ಸನ್ನು ಹಾಕತ್ತದ, ಪ್ರೆಸರನ್ನು ಹಾಕತ್ತದ, ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತದ. ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತದ ಅದು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ನಾಗ ಅದ, ಬಟ್ ಆದರೂ ಯಾಕೆ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತದ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್, ದಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. What is kinetic energy? Whenever the object is in motion, that is a kinetic energy. But whenever the object is at a particular position, or whenever the object is at a rest position, in rest also it is having certain kind of energy. That energy is called as a potential energy. And if you suddenly take your hand, suddenly body is moving, and if you are not allowing the body to move, it is pressing your hand in downward direction. Whenever the object is in rest, it is pressing your hand in downward direction. It means that the object is pressing your hand in downward. It means that it is having something, that it is having somewhat energy. That energy is called as a potential energy. Take the definition. What is potential energy? It is the energy stored in the body because of its rest. It is the energy possessed by the body due to virtue of its rest position, or it is the energy stored in the body because of its rest position, rest or state of rest, called potential energy. Called P means potential energy. The potential energy can be calculated by using formula, that is M into G into H. M is mass of the body, H is height from the ground, and what is G? G is nothing but acceleration because of gravity. The earth is attracting the body in downward because of gravity. ಅರ್ಥ ಆ ಬಾಡಿನ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ. ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲ್ರೇಷನ್? ಎಕ್ಸಲ್ರೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ. ಯಾವುದೋ ಬಾಡಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಅದ್ರ ಸ್ಪೀಡನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಎಕ್ಸಲ್ರೇಷನ್. ವೆನ್ ದ ಅರ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಬಾಲ್ ಇನ್ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, at each and every position its velocity is goes on changes, its speed is goes on changes. ಗ್ರೌಂಡಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಮೀಪ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಈ ಬಾಡಿ, ಅದರ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ. ಇಫ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಇಫ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಟಿಂಗ್ at this point, at this point, at this point, at each and every point its speed is not same. ಹೈಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅದ, ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ತದ. ಹೈಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದ. ಗ್ರೌಂಡಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೈಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದ. ಈ ಬಾಡಿ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಕಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಇದರ ಡಿಸ್ಟನ್ಸ್, ಅದರ ಹೈಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದ, ಹಂಗೆ ಇದರದ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತದ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತದ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಪ್ರತಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ನಾಗ ಅದ್ರ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತದನ? ನೋ, ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ಏನಾಗ್ತಿರ್ತದ? ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತದ. At each and every point the body is having a different speed, a different velocity. The velocity changes. Change in velocity is called as acceleration. Change in velocity is called as acceleration. Because of earth gravity, the object velocity is not same at each and every point whenever it is falling from a certain height. ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಪ್ರತಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ನಾಗೂ ಅದರ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿರ್ತದ? ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತದ. That changing velocity because of gravity is called as acceleration due to gravity, that is G. G is acceleration because of gravity. Its value is that is 9.81 meter per second square. This is unit of acceleration. This is same. M is mass of the object, G is this much, H is, that is height. For example, the mass of this object is, the mass of that object is, you take mass is around 10 kg and G is constant, that is 9.81 meter per second square, and height he has given, that is 10 meter. Substitute whenever the object is present at this point, whenever the object is present at this point, it is having some energy. Because of that energy it is pressing your hand, then it is having some energy at this point. That energy is called as a potential energy. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಐತಿ that energy can be calculated. What is M? 10. What is G? 9.81 or approximately 9.8. You can take it as a 10. And here H is also 10. This is 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 1000 joule. This is potential energy. This is potential energy of the body whenever it is present at this point. Let us take this is the first point. And again, the object is, let us imagine the object is present at this point. The object is present at this point. The object is present at this point. The height is, for example, this is 5 meter. The height is around 5 meter and mass never changes. Mass is same. Mass is same. That is 10 kg. And this is your hand. This is your hand. The object pressing your hand in downward direction. Why? Because it is having energy. Which energy? Potential energy. Whenever the object present at this point, is the object having same potential energy as compared with this one? No. It is having potential energy. How much it is having? You can calculate. That is P is equal to M into G into H. These are same. 10 into 10. G 9.8 actually, but approximately I have taken it as 10. H is 5. Then 10 into 10, 100. This is 500. 500 joule. What is potential energy? The object having certain energy at this point. Whenever the object is present at this point, its potential energy, the energy stored in the body, that is a potential energy, that is equal to 500 joule. Or whenever the object is present at this point, for example, height is equal to 2 meter. 2 meter. Then whenever the object is present at this point, how much potential energy it is having? That is, the potential energy is equal to mgh. Mg is same. M is 10. G is approximately 10. H is 2 meter. Then 100 into 100, that is 200 joule. 200 joule. And whenever the object is come to this point, it reaches the ground. And what is the potential energy here? 0. And this one, potential energy is equal to M into G into H. M is 10, G is 10, H is 0. Then 0. Potential energy is equal to 0. And this is the calculation. This one. And this is the calculation. This is the calculation here. And this is the calculation here. And this is the calculation here. Because height is 0, then object is not having any energy, then potential energy is equal to 0. Potential energy is depending upon G is constant. Potential energy is depending upon two quantities, mass and height. More the mass, more the potential energy, more the height, more the potential energy. G is same at each and every point. Getting? This is potential energy. And you can take another example. Example number 2. Example. Let us take, this is all water. This is all water molecules. This is water, means this is a dam. This is all water. And here this is the gate. This is gate. And now gate is closed. This is water reservoir. For example, you can take water dam. The water molecules are at rest. Imagine water molecules are at rest. Andre tilkodri. Water ಏನದ rest ನಾಗದ gate close ಅದ. This is gate. This is a water dam. The water molecules which having which energy? The water particles are at rest means it is having which energy? Potential energy. And here near the gate, this water particle pressing the gate like this. ಈ ವಾಟರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ತವ? ಈ ಗೇಟದ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಹಾಕತ್ತವ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತವ. ದಿಸ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಗೇಟ್. ವೈ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಗೇಟ್? ಇವಂದು ವಾಟರ್ ರಸ್ನಾಗದ. ವಾಟರ್ ರಸ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರು ಈ ಗೇಟ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ವಾಟರ್ ಗೇಟ್, ಈ ಗೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನಂಗೆ ದುಗ್ಸಾಕತ್ತವ, ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತದ ವಾಟರ್. It is in rest, water is in rest, still it is pressing the gate. How come? It is having something, water particles having something. What is that something? That something is nothing but potential energy. ವಾಟರ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ನಾಗ ಅದ ಗೇಟನ್ನು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತದ. ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕೊಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್. ವಾಟರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಒಡೆದು ಹೋಗ್ತದ. ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೊಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಸಿಂಗ್? ವಾಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್, ನೋ? ದೆನ್ ವೈ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಗೇಟ್? It is in rest. Even though it is in rest, it is having some energy. That energy is called as a potential energy. Suddenly, if the gate is open, the water is moving like anything, moving like very high speed. Suddenly, gate is open. Suddenly, water particles are suddenly coming out of the gate. Whenever it is sudden coming out of the gate, is the water is in rest here? No, it is in motion. Here, it is in motion. Now the water particles are motion, means water particles hatra ಈಗ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಐತೆನಾ? ಎಸ್, ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ವಿಚ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೈನೆಟಿಕ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ವಾಟರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ನಾಗ ಅದ, ಆದ್ರೂ ಗೇಟನ್ನು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತದ. ವೈ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಗೇಟ್? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ದಟ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅದ, ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅದ, ಅದ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾವ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಅದ? ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಸಡನ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಸಡನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗೇಟ್, ದೆನ್ ನೌ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್. ನೌ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ದಟ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್? ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೈನೆಟಿಕ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅದ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇರ್ತದ, ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಆ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಏನಾಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೈನೆಟಿಕ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿಯಾಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅನದರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3. Example number 3. Let us take, this is arrow from bow. This is arrow from bow. Then arrow. Let us take, this is the arrow from bow. This is bow. This is arrow. Arrow from bow. This is the person, he is handling this one. This is the person, he is using a bow and he is moving and he wants to leave the arrow from this bow. New, for example, what you are calling it is bana, billu bana. Yes, right? Bow. And whenever he is stretching, whenever he is pulling his hand, the arrow still it is in rest. Arrow still it is in rest. Let us take, this is bow. And the person, let us take, this is a arrow and he is pulling. Before leaving the arrow, he is pulling back with certain force. Still the arrow is in your hand. Arrow innu kai olagana ada. Still it is in the person's hand. The person still holding that one. Andre innu avun kai olagana ada. Is the arrow having energy? Yes, of course it is having energy. Which energy it is having? That is nothing but a potential energy. The moment at which the person leave the arrow from his finger, ತನ್ನ ಫಿಂಗರ್ದಿಂದ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ arrow is moving with certain speed. Suddenly arrow is moving. Whenever it is moving, is the arrow having energy? Yes, of course it is having energy. Which energy? Kinetic energy. Where the kinetic energy is coming to that arrow? ಈ kinetic energy arrow ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತ? Whenever arrow is in rest, whenever arrow is in rest, it is having which energy? Potential energy. The moment at which when you leave the arrow from your hand, suddenly it is moving. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಜಗ್ಗಿ ಹಿಡಿದಾಗ ಅದ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಯಾವ ಎನರ್ಜಿ? ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ನೀವು ಕೈ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದು ಏನಾಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಾಕೈತು? ಕೈನೆಟಿಕ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ arrow is moving. Yes, the potential energy is getting converted into kinetic energy. When the person just stretches the arrow in backward direction, when the person just pull the arrow in backward and still the arrow is in your hand, then at that moment the arrow having which energy? Potential energy. ಅವನ ಕೈ ಒಳಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಆ ಎರೋ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯಾವ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇತ್ತ? ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಕೈತ? ಕೈನೆಟಿಕ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ವೆನೆವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ? Potential energy. because of that energy it is pressing the gates. If you sudden open the gate, suddenly water is coming out of the gate, then the object is moving now, then now which energy that the water is having? Kinetic energy. You just keep in your mind, when the object is in motion, which energy it is having? Kinetic energy. When the object is in rest, it is having which energy? That is potential energy with certain getting conditions. You please remember the kinetic energy and potential energy. And now I am going to stop this one, and very important, you please